Welcome to the Q&A session 17 from the playlist of current electricity. The topic is the heat generation due to the flow of the current in a conductor. So based on this topic, I have selected one question from one of my reference books, and the question here is that there are two bars of radius 2r and r kept in contact with each other as shown in this figure. So this was a figure which was provided along with this question. The current I is passing through the bars. Find the ratio of heat produced in the bar A to the heat produced in the bar B if the material of both the bars are the same. So we know that the heat produced in a conductor due to the flow of the current is given by the formula I square into R into T, where T is the time elapsed, R is the resistance of that material or conductor, and I is the current which is flowing through it. So there are two bars here, A and B. So the heat produced in the bar A, let us say it is HA. This will be equal to I square into the resistance of this bar A multiplied by the time elapsed, and the heat produced in the bar B will be equal to I square into the resistance of the bar B into the time elapsed. So we have to find the ratio of the heat produced in bar A to the heat produced in bar B if the material of both the bars are the same. Now we also know that the resistance of a conductor is given by is equal to rho into L upon A, where rho is the resistivity of the material, L is the length of the conductor, and A is the cross section area. So since here the material of both the bars are the same, therefore resistivity of both the materials will be the same. So from this formula and from this formula, that is H is equal to I square RT, I will be getting the value of HA. This is equal to I square into R. Now I will be substituting the value of R, A, from this formula in the equation. Say this is equation number 1. So this will be equal to RA will be equal to the resistivity of the bar A, which I am taking here as rho, the length of the conductor divided by the area of cross section. Now the area of cross section will be here. This will be equal to, here the radius is equal to 2r. So the area of cross section will be equal to pi r square, which is equal to 2r whole square into the time elapsed. Similarly, the heat produced in the bar B will be equal to I square into, now since the material of construction of both the bars are the same, therefore the resistivity of both the bars will be the same. So if the resistivity for the bar A is rho, then the resistivity of the bar B will also be equal to rho divided by L divided by pi. Now the radius of the bar B is R, so this will be equal to pi r square. So finally I have got these two equations. So we have to find the ratio of heat produced in the bar A to the heat produced in the bar B. So HA upon HB is the, it means we have to find the value of HA upon HB. So simply we have to divide these two equations. So on dividing these two equations, is I square, rho, L and T, they will get cancelled out, and finally I will be getting the value as this will be equal to, or I will be simply writing the value here as I square into rho into L into T divided by 4 pi r square divided by I square rho L I square into rho into L into T divided by pi r square. So from this equation, I am getting the value of HA, that is the heat produced in the bar A, divided by HB, which is the heat produced in the bar B. This will be equal to I square rho L T divided by 4 pi R square into pi R square divided by I square rho L T. So from here, this I square rho L T, I square rho L T, this will get cancelled out, and this pi R square and pi R square will also get cancelled out. So from this equation, I am getting HA upon HB. This will be equal to 1 by 4, or simply we can say that, or it implies that HB, or so we have to simply find the ratio. So HA upon HB will be equal to 1 by 4, or we can also say that is the heat produced in the bar B will be 4 times the heat produced in the bar A, because HB is equal to 4 times HA. So, or we can say that HA upon HB, that is the ratio of the heat produced in the bar A to the heat produced in the bar B, is equal to 1 by 4, or the heat produced in the bar B is 4 times the heat produced in the bar A. So in this question, the most important thing was the utilization of the formula, that is R is equal to rho L upon A. And the most important thing which we all have to remember is that the resistivity of two conductors will be the same if the material of construction of those two conductors are the same. So that was the important thing which was to be applied in solving this question. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be again coming up with a different topic from the same chapter, that is current electricity. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.